It's on again. It's electricity, power management, and more. Okay, so we are doing this work here. It's actually an electrical wiring work, but there's some kind of issue, so we have to. Let's say we have to start all over again, so you can see whole lot of cutting through, even through the floor, the concrete on the floor, whole lot of cutting here and there. It goes through here, a whole lot of cutting, and actually some kind of changes. This switch was supposed to go on the floor, and I don't want that way, so I just change it so we can actually use the ceiling side. Okay, so here they actually laid a pipe without any consideration. They didn't consider the number of seconds, so we have to add a pipe to it here, and also do some kind of alterations or alterations here. There's the washroom, and here too there was no calculation towards the circuit or the pipe, so we have to add additional pipe to it. Like I said, it's an electrical wiring, but we have to go over the chiseling work all over again. And even we are blocked at some places. You see, when during the chiseling work, you'll be able to identify so many stuff. So with this, we didn't know that there's some kind of plumbing pipe here. Actually, there's another place that we have even completely cut it, and so there's so much stress on us and stuff like that. There's another place. There's a dining area, and there was nothing like switch, so we have to create a new one. It's like this. You enter through here. There was nothing like a switch, so we have to create that switch there. And also this the main entrance into the building. Okay, so right here there's a switch, but this switch wasn't going through, so we have to do the correction. And also when you are inside the house, let's say you didn't go out, you are inside the house and you are coming into the living room at night, you need to get access to light, so we have to create this new switch here. You don't need to walk in through the darkness up to this side. The switch was just here and there was nothing here, so we have to create this new switch, so when you are coming in from your room in the night or in the evening, you'll be able to turn on some section of the light in the living room. And there's the kitchen, and we have to do some kind of correction or alteration towards the pipe. The pipes wasn't going through, so we have to do that correction. And also we have to create point for cooker unit and also extractor or cooker hood or range hood. Okay, these are socket outlets. The socket outlets, the PVC pipes was laid poorly, so we have to take them out. Like I said, it was like a chiseling work plus electrical wiring work, so we have to chisel or cut, lay new PVC pipes in there and stuff like that. And there's another washroom, and okay, here the switch was here, but the water heater switch was nowhere. Okay, actually it was positioned here, so we have to change it to this side. See here, water is right here, so we have to change the switch to that side. So there's the point, and the water heater appliance will be right here. And that's the shower is right there. Shower is right there. So there's the room that has actually given us stress. Okay, so there was some kind of air conditioning stuff here, so we thought it's wise to go the other way around. So we changed our format, and so we were using this side and coming to this side, and all of a sudden we were hit with this stress. We have to cut this, and unfortunately we met this PVC pipe. This actually for plumbing, and the headache. So we have to we are not done with the TV cabling, but we have to pause so actually we can give time to the plumber to come and maybe do some kind of alterations or corrections here before we can do the TV cabling. So all the sockets, we have to take out the pipes out for proper PVC pipe layout. So this will be my final word. Okay, so when it comes to electrical work or electrical installation, it's not an easy thing. Okay, so it's to clients actually when you need an electrician to do your job. I think yes, most of the time people will recommend anyone to you, but there are some places. Just hit me up on my page, that is on my YouTube, TikTok. My name is Victor Hackman, and on YouTube my name is Multi-Skilled Electrician 1. On Facebook my name is Victor Hackman. When you just type in Victor Hackman, my image will pop up in there. And also I have another page, electrical page, that is Vicariate Electricals. Okay, and so when you message me or when you get in touch, even if I'm not available, I can recommend an equally qualified and certified Energy Commission certified electrician to you. So with this, if it were to be done by qualified and a certified electrician, or let's say a very good electrician, this mess cutting here and there, during the chiseling stage, all these corrections were to be done. This chiseling thing, all these things, PVC pipes were supposed to be laid correctly. All these corrections were supposed to be done during the chiseling work, so we wouldn't come and create this mess, cutting in plumbing pipes here and there. All these things were supposed to be laid correctly during the chiseling work stage, so we wouldn't come and create this or come and meet this mess here. But all the same, just when you need a very good certified electrician, just get in touch with me. Though there are some very good electricians who are not certified, but I will choose a certified electrician over uncertified, because you can keep track of them. When something go bad, you can keep track of them, and that is one of the reasons why you have to use a certified electrician, so when they mess up, we can actually track them down. This was a whole lot of stress, but we solve issues, so we solve electrical problems, so we have to solve it. We are not like some African politicians who only go in there, sitting there. We voted for them, but they complain this party was responsible for this. But we have to actually correct them and also bringing solutions to be able to successfully complete the electrical wiring. Actually, we are almost done, but this is the only thing that is restraining us from wiring, doing the installation for TV coaxial cable. This side and another side, we have some cuts in plumbing PVC pipes, so we might give in time for the plumber to come and fix this pipe, PVC pipe here. Then we'll be able to run our TV coaxial cable. This room and another room in there. Don't forget to subscribe or follow. Thank you.